Hello world, this is Paul Goff. I am making this video in response to Dan Brown's video on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Just wanted to thank you so much for helping me out with that. And I thought for this video I would go ahead and solve a Rubik's Cube. Just to show you, I guess, that I can actually do it. I'm just mixing this up right now, not looking at it, not creating any special way of solving it or whatever. Anyway, okay, so here we go. Let me see if I can actually do this thing. And there you have it, the solved Rubik's Cube. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your help. Bye.